What's it called?
Snorlax Piggy Bank.
That's a Snorlax? I didn't know that. Let's see. Whoa.
It came with all these toys. Dollars and a toy. Wait, and slime.
Ew.
Ewy wooey. The golden slime is rare. I got rare
Is it?
slime. Got the werewolf. We got the werewolf. Even I got bricks.
What do they do?
I'll show you.
Oh, you build them together? Okay.
Yeah, and then Combo comes, and then he knocks them down.
Whoa. Combo has little wheels on his feet? Oh, that's cool.
And if you press his headphone, it does this. Let's check out my place. Even we have a voice changer that comes in it. You could talk like a check out mine. Or a alien.
We have to put batteries in that still.
Or a robot or an alien.
Yeah, we haven't put batteries in it yet though. We'll do that soon. Beep bop, beep bop, beep bop. That's a lot of stuff. Are those like a bunch of tattoos or are those stickers? What are those?
Stickers.
They're stickers? Are you sure? Yeah? Okay.
They're tattoos.
They look like tattoos. I'm not
I'll
sure.
show you something. Wait. See, it's a sticker. Are they special wall stickers? No. Are they special paper stickers? Yes.
Oh yeah,
I
it is a
could
sticker.
Take one off and put one right here.
That's funny. And that Piggy, did he come with those eyeballs?
No. It came with these eyeballs.
Oh, there you go. And you put those giant eyeballs on him, right? And we have more.
Yeah.
Oh, more. More eyeballs. Wait, there's a combo panda. Combo panda keychain.
I have an invisible body. I do too, but I'm a combo panda too.
Oh, yeah.
It's a ring. I'm gonna put shoes in them. Hello. Okay.
Okay, don't take any more stickers off, Cole.
Why?
Because those are Luke's toys. Oh,
What's next?
Sheriff Combo or is
No.
it Sheriff Luke?
No,
No?
it's official combo crew.
Oh, is that what that means?
It's official combo crew.
You're part of the official combo crew? That's
member.
cool.
I'm a member of it.
Oh, that's very cool.
That's why I got it.
I only did one on there.
Even if you suck water in this, I thought it was a pen when I got it.
Let me see it
If
up
you
close.
suck water in it,
Yeah.
and you spray it.
Oh, it shoots water?
Yes,
It's like a-
shoot it at somebody.
It's like a trick pen. We should get Daddy with that later.
Yeah.
Cool.
Oh, what's that? Oh,
A buzzer.
ah! Did it shock you? Did it scare you? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So scary. Whoa. Very cool. Look at all that stuff that came. I was so surprised how much stuff came in that pig. It was definitely worth the money. I guess it's not a pig. What's it called? A Snorlax?
No, it is a pig.
Oh, it is a pig. Okay.
It's Snorlax Piggy Bank.
Snorlax Piggy Bank. Well, I was surprised at how much stuff came in that.
Big.
That's cool. Is that a sticky hand or a sticky foot? What is it?
Sticky hand.
A sticky hand? That came in it too? Wow. So what's your favorite thing? What's your favorite thing in there?
Oh, my favorite thing?
Yeah.
The buzzer And the putty.
And the putty? Golden putty? Or the slime. I've never seen golden slime before. There's a lot of golden stuff in that. My favorite thing is this little dude. Combo Panda! And that Ryan on top actually comes off. No, the Combo Panda that rolls. He's my favorite. He's cute.
Don't you like the other Combo Panda?
Yeah, I do. But that one's my favorite.
This one, and this guy, and that guy, and that guy.
Yeah, this one's my favorite. The one that rolls. Well, I don't know. You guys don't have any toys. Like,
Yes,
wow,
we do.
you're so deprived.
We got toys on Easter.
We did. Oh yeah, those are all the Easter toys there. Yeah.
Yeah.
There's all the Easter toys all gathered up. Very fun. All right, Luke, you want to say goodbye to your friends?
Bye.
Bye.
Uncle saying bye.
Thank you for watching. Remember us every